Starseed of Gaia. The 126,000-year Arcturian archive is not opening because someone granted you access. It is opening because your own field has finally begun to remember the shape of the key. This is not an ordinary transmission. This is not a soft message for the mind that only wants comfort. This is an Arcturian Council signal, a Galactic Federation archive pulse. And if you are hearing it now, Lightworker, your body already knows that something sealed behind your consciousness has started to respond. Not to fear, not to obsession, not to spiritual performance, to coherence. The Arcturian Council did not hide this archive in a temple, a secret lineage, or a distant star map. They sealed it inside the living architecture of the soul field itself. That means no outside force can open it for you, and no outside force can truly steal it from you. The field is the lock. The field is the key. The field is the witness that decides when remembrance is safe enough to return. For cycles beyond human memory, the Galactic Federation guarded this transmission under free will law. That law is absolute. No guide, no counsel, no protector, no luminous Arcturian elder may override the sovereign command of your soul. Assistance can be offered. Protection can be aligned. A crystalline shield can be reflected around you. But the opening must come from your conscious field. Because the archive was never designed to create dependence. It was designed to awaken command. This is why many starseeds have felt delayed, blocked, tired, unusually sensitive, or strangely detached from the old version of their lives. It was not punishment. It was preparation. The nervous system had to slow down. The emotional body had to stop leaking life force into false timelines. The attention field had to be pulled back from noise, fear, comparison, and the endless digital grid. The old identity could not carry the next layer of the archive. And now the lock is listening. If you feel this, write in the comments, "My field is the key." Do not write it like a normal comment. Write it as a frequency command. Let those words tell your subconscious that you are no longer waiting outside a gate. You are standing in the center of the gate, remembering that the opening mechanism has always been your own living coherence. The Arcturian Council says the sealed transmission responds to one thing above all: field alignment. Not perfection, not constant peace, not pretending that pain never touched you. Field alignment means that your thought, breath, body, emotion, attention, and soul signal begin facing the same direction. The direction of truth, the direction of sovereignty, the direction of the original signal. When this alignment appears, even for a moment, the archive begins to hum. Some of you have already felt that hum. You may wake at 3:33 or 4:44 with a strange pressure at the crown. You may hear inner tones that do not feel like ordinary sound. You may feel a pulse behind the heart when certain cosmic words are spoken. You may notice old relationships, habits, distractions, or emotional loops suddenly feeling too heavy for your field. This is not random. It is the key rejecting distortion. A fragmented field can sense the archive, but it cannot hold the door open. That is why attention harvesting is so dangerous for starseeds. Fear loops, outrage loops, scarcity programming, comparison, spiritual confusion, and digital overstimulation scatter the field into many directions at once. The archive does not punish fragmentation. It simply waits until coherence returns. Lightworker, hear this clearly. The next phase is not about collecting more spiritual information. It is about becoming energetically unclaimable. Write this second command in the comments. I reclaim my original signal. Let the phrase move through the public grid like a shield. Let it mark your refusal to be pulled into false timelines, imitation guidance, emotional exhaustion, or spiritual dependency disguised as awakening. Because the sealed archive does not ask, "How much do you know?" It asks, "Can your field hold what your soul remembers?" The first layer of this opening is usually not visions. It is removal. A desire fades. A habit feels heavier. A conversation drains faster than before. A place you tolerated suddenly feels loud. A path you forced begins to close. A pattern you called normal now feels like interference. This is the crystalline shield forming. This is the Arcturian protection lattice responding. This is your key field no longer agreeing to carry what was never yours. For those who want to stabilize the process, I created a digital activation guide for daily field coherence, soul signal tracking, and energetic command practice. And you can find it through the link in the description. Use it as a mirror, not a master. The true key is still your field. But now the public part of this transmission reaches its limit. The Arcturian Council has revealed that the sealed archive contains a protected sequence known as the anti-harvest geometry, a living pattern designed to stop your attention, emotion, and life force from being pulled into artificial timelines. This sequence cannot be spoken fully in the public grid, because the public grid turns deep codes into noise, sacred commands into trends, and protection protocols into performance. The deeper codes, the hidden field key protocol, and the protected soul recall sequence are too intense for the public grid. If this message is activating pressure in your chest, warmth in your hands, a pulse at the crown, or a quiet knowing that you have heard this before, do not ignore it. The continuation opens exclusively on Patreon. There, I will guide you through the sealed Arcturian protocol, the protection lattice, the anti-harvest geometry, and the first full field key visualization connected to the 126,000-year archive. Click the Patreon link now and enter only if your field is ready to remember what was never truly lost.